A checking account is a great tool to help you manage and save your money. For instance, families that don't have a checking account can spend over $800 a year on check cashing fees and money orders. Like most tools, it's important to know how to use your checking account wisely. First, let's look at how to get money into your account.
Of course, you can still walk into the bank of your choice and deposit your money the old-fashioned way, through a transaction with a teller. But there are a lot of other ways to get money into the bank that can save you time and money. You can use an ATM or automated teller machine to feed cash or checks into your account, especially convenient for after-hours banking. With a face-to-face transaction with a teller or when using an ATM, you'll need to fill out a deposit slip, usually found in the back of your checkbook.
You can also do an electronic transfer from one account to another, or you can set up a direct deposit that allows your paycheck or benefit check to be automatically deposited into your account. Whichever method you choose, make sure that you know when your deposited money will be available for you to spend.
And it varies depending on whether it's a check from an individual or whether it's a check from another business, large deposit checks. These types of checks are subject to be held. The hold policy actually gives the bank the ability to collect on that check. Because if I write you a check for $2,000 and you go and spend that money, and then for some reason that check comes back and it's no good, then we have to collect that money from you.
Once you get your money into your account, there are several ways you can access it.
Remember, you can make a withdrawal the old-fashioned way, through a face-to-face transaction with a teller. Just make sure you have your ID and your account number. Or you can write a check. Checks are a great way to pay bills, either in person or through the mail, and are often cheaper than buying money orders. For even more convenience, you can use a debit card. These cards are usually accepted at stores, restaurants, ATMs, and in many cases can even be used to buy things online or over the phone. Just remember, when using a debit card, that the funds normally come out of your account as soon as you use the card.
It's very convenient, it's very easy to use. If you lose a debit card, you're not out money, you contact the bank, we'll cancel that card and we'll get you a new one out. The most obvious reason on a con is that people don't know how to manage that money. You have to know that when you spend money with a debit card, it comes out of your account automatically.
Which means no matter how you choose to access your money, it's important to keep track of your transactions and balance your account regularly. Next month, we'll show you how. Until then, I'm Reeve, and you can bank on this.